Hello, we are Team 404 Not Found 2. Our problem statement is identifying taxonomy and assessing biodiversity from eDNA datasets. Problem statement ID 25042. The ocean is a vast place that has been left unexplored for a long time. And so our product helps researchers and marine biologists conduct surveys much quicker because the ocean is a very hostile environment and there are many parts that are still unexplored even by modern technology. Our product helps alleviate a lot of the pressure that comes from having to research in these environments. eDNA stands for environmental DNA. The reason why our focus relies on eDNA is because it lets us see the hidden biodiversity, but the problem is that the current methods that are used for analyzing eDNA is usually very incomplete and leaves a lot of sequences unidentified, which is why our product aims to be able to detect what cannot be seen through current methods. We have two parts to our product: the model trainer and the AI pipeline. The model trainer uses deep learning and unsupervised learning techniques to train on large DNA datasets. The model learns complex sequences and patterns and automatically groups them into species categories, even discovering new or unknown taxonomy. The AI pipeline then takes the user-provided DNA samples that we get from sampling the ocean and passes them through the trained model, and then it classifies whatever DNA sequences it gets from that into taxonomies and taxons and species categories. It then makes charts and visualizations based on the data that have been given to us. Together, these stages create a smart, automated workflow for efficient DNA-based species classification and discovery. Our solution has multiple impacts. Scientifically, it helps discover new deep sea species and expand biodiversity knowledge. Environmentally, it supports conservation and planning for fragile marine ecosystems. Economically, it can lead to biotech and pharmaceutical discoveries for novel organisms. Operationally, it enables faster and more accurate biodiversity assessments for agencies like MOES and CMLRE. And educationally, it builds team expertise in AI, bioinformatics, and marine ecology.